If you find that your mattress is starting to feel old or is just too firm to sleep on, a mattress topper can help. Mattress toppers are affordable, easy to install products that can make your bed feel like new again without having to replace it completely. A mattress topper is a fabric or foam pad that you place on top of your mattress. It's designed to improve comfort and support. If you find that your mattress is starting to feel old, a mattress topper can help. In general, there are 3 types of materials that toppers are made from: memory foam, latex and feather down or down alternative. Memory foam is the most common and generally the most expensive. It is supportive but can be hot and heavy in warm weather. Latex is more expensive than traditional polyurethane foam mattresses but less so than memory foam. It's good at providing support without sacrificing comfort or breathability. Down alternative fills are hypoallergenic, soft, lightweight, and high quality but may not provide as much support as other options. The best mattress toppers are comfortable, supportive, breathable, and easy to care for. Comfort is a key factor when shopping for an add-on layer to your bedding. If you can't get comfortable on your mattress alone or have tried several mattresses that made you toss and turn because they were too soft or too firm, then a mattress topper can help you achieve the right level of softness without compromising support. On the other hand, if your current bed doesn't offer enough support for back and spine health, or if it's causing pain, then adding additional padding will make sleeping better with fewer aches and pains in the morning. Breathability is another important factor because it helps regulate the temperature throughout the night so that neither person gets too hot or cold during sleep, and hopefully you won't wake up sweating. You'll also want something that's easy care-wise, otherwise cleaning up spills could become a big hassle. If you have a new mattress but want it softer, a mattress topper can make it more comfortable without wasting money on an entirely new bed. A mattress topper will add some plushness and give you the feeling of sleeping on something brand new for much less than the cost of buying an entirely new model. If you have an older mattress that's lost its cushioning and doesn't feel as supportive as it once did, a high-quality mattress topper can make your bed feel newer and more comfortable for less than buying a brand new model. If you're looking to add some extra plush to your bed, a mattress topper can be an excellent way to do so. A mattress topper is an additional layer placed on top of a pre-existing mattress that adds more comfort and support. It's the perfect way to customize your sleep experience by adding softness or firmness where needed. If you're wondering whether or not you need one, here are some questions that might help clarify. Is my new bed too firm? Do I have back problems? A firmer bed will be better for relieving pressure points. Is my old bed just too soft? A softer surface can relieve pressure points. If you think a mattress topper is right for you, then go ahead and try one out. It's easy to find a high-quality product that will improve your sleep quality and make you more comfortable.